spicy. Today's date is February 14th, 2019. It is Valentine's Day, and it is also the Thursday night before our first LAN party of 2019. The LAN party is gonna be at my place. Whenever I go down for LAN, it takes me anywhere between, I don't know, an hour and a half to 3 hours. So I would imagine it's gonna take them about the same amount of time, and all of them are gonna have to make that drive as opposed to just me going down there. So I'm very thankful that they're all willing to do that. 2 people are gonna get here really early. Where is it? It's like 10:30 p.m. right now. I think Danny and Casey, they're gonna head out right when Danny gets off of work, and they said they plan to be here around like 5 or 6 a.m. So I'm probably gonna have to wake up in a little bit and open the door for them. Other than that, I don't really have much to do to prepare. I'm not gonna move all my stuff downstairs until tomorrow when I get their help to kind of set up the tables how we want it. But I have to take my monitor off of, it's sitting on a monitor arm right now. That's how I have the stacked monitor set up. What I'm gonna do is I have to put that back on a stand, and then I'm gonna move all this down. But thankfully, I got these handles, so it's gonna be really easy to bring it downstairs. And then bring my chair down. I've, for the most part, cleaned up the house and made sure everything is ready for them. The only one thing left is that I need to prepare breakfast for Saturday morning, which is when everyone should be up here by that point. Let's go cook some, or at least prepare some breakfast. I'm not gonna cook it today. Come on. Oh, there it is. I'm gonna clean up real quick, put stuff in the dishwasher, then go upstairs. Got a shower, and then I can go to sleep, and then maybe wake up in like 5 hours to open the door for Danny and Casey. Dishwasher's running. Let's go upstairs. So what I need to do now is make sure my OBS settings are gonna be good for recording gameplay footage, because the last LAN party video, all the audio just wasn't there. And all my OBS settings did get wiped out because I did a fresh Windows install on when I did my bill upgrade. So I'm gonna do that now. Test 1, 2. Got it. Let's see, what time is it right now? If Danny and Casey are planning to get here at 5 or 6, that only gives me about 4 or 5 hours of sleep before I have to wake up and open the door for them. Then I'm gonna have to drop my girlfriend off at the bus station. So yeah, I should go to sleep, but I gotta take a shower first. It's 1 a.m. now, so I'm gonna knock out and wake up open a little bit. Hello? What's up? Are you guys outside? 5 minutes away? Alright, see you. Oh god, don't tell me you're stuck.
No, it's okay.
So back up.
Old blue.
Back up so that you get straight with the curb and then pull up to him slowly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me know if you need a push. You might need a push. Or you're good. Casey, wanna get out and go push him?
In my
shoe.
My shoe.
I can't believe you guys made it down that hill.
That was scary. It's like,
No, I forgot that Google Maps wouldn't reroute you. That hill is actually really scary, yeah.
it was like I had to drive at an angle just to go straight. It was really weird.
As soon as I heard you guys coming, I was like, that kind of, oh crap, they're coming from the hill. Okay. Yeah, careful. Do not slip and drop your expensive hardware. And then this one, for now, I'll just move here. I think people are going to be sleeping here.
Got them games.
Okay. Can you help me put these on? So these are, we use these for like Thanksgiving and stuff so that we don't.
When it is Thanksgiving.
Time to unhook and go downstairs. Can you help me try to route the Ethernet cord?
Yes.
So we gotta get all the way down there from up here. It's gonna go from here. So the modem's right there. So you take this end.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder if I just drop it, it'll be fine. We're doing it, we're just dropping it. Oh god.
Immediately.
That might have been like a horrible idea. It's not getting stuck though.
Not yet.
Yeah, so it actually was routed pretty well. Oh god. Hey Casey, you wanna plug in this Ethernet cable and see if it works? That'd be funny if it doesn't. I just set this whole thing up.
Oh.
I haven't tested it yet. Okay. Perfect. Okay, so 242 down. Oh, that's so sad. About 10 up. I'll be back in like 5-10 minutes.
Alright.
Restroom is right here.
Okay.
So yeah.
Lifesaver.
Sun's coming out. I'm very excited.
Moving your monitor down now?
Yeah, I'm gonna move my stuff down right when I get back. Alright, happy day at work. Love you.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Now I gotta move these monitors. So we're for the most part set up. You guys ready to head out?
Sure.
Okay.
Cool.
We're gonna go get some food and energy drinks at the Safeway. So where's the Kickstarts? Where's my cheapo drinks? I don't see it.
Right here?
No, it's not. It might be down here. Is there more this way? I found you. You buy the Mountain Dew. I want to try the Black Label, but watermelon. This sounds good. Okay, I'm gonna grab 5 of them.
Wait, I can drink that one. I did the green apple. It wasn't bad. Yeah, I guess.
All right, so we're going to Taco Bell or McDonald's.
Oh man.
Casey, make the call. Go.
No, I'm the wrong person for this choice. I mean, I prefer McDonald's because I don't know what Taco Bell breakfast really is.
We'll keep it safe. We'll go McDonald's.
I'm down for trying new stuff. Oh my god.
Wow.
What a cop out, man. I don't like making the decisions. Can we get 4 hash browns?
Okay.
And we're gonna need 4 sausage McMuffins, please.
4 sausage McMuffins. Anything else for you?
No, that'll be it.
You guys good?
Yep.
Got everything? Okay. Let's get these eggs started. My egg, I promise you, is better than McDonald's egg. Promise. Did you look at the menu? How much that was with egg? It was, I think,
it was like
$3.50 something.
Yeah.
That was $1.50.
yeah.
Ridiculous. $2 for 1 egg? I think a dozen eggs at the store cost about $2. You guys can start eating. There you go. So this is the perfect time to end this part of the vlog. The rest of the LAN party will be in the next video, which should be out shortly afterwards. Yeah, thanks as always for watching. Definitely appreciate it. Guys, want to say bye?
Bye.
See you guys next time. Bye. There it is.